You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting variant form of the word over. The preposition or adverb over is sometimes pronounced. It's a bit archaic, or from literature. Oa, oa. Yeah, this is oa. As you would say, you could say oa. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.